Alright, I've got most of the dowels cut out. The only thing I lack now is through there and here on each piece. So let's figure out how I'm going to do that next. I guess we could go with some of these, and that would do the trick. Let's try that to begin with.
Here's the deal. If you tap that banner, you'll get a free 30-day trial of Pandora Music with no ads. That means all your favorite stations with 0 interruptions. At the end of your free trial, if you're digging ad-free music, sign up for just $5 a month, half the price of other ad-free music services. If you're like, no, it's not for me, just cancel. It's easy and you won't be charged a dime. Tap now for your free trial.
So what we're going to do here is line up that the best we can. And then we got this one. Now this one we can use this to square it up. I don't know how I'm going to get that lined up perfect, because this ain't going to work. It'll work like this, but lining it up, praise the Lord. Maybe we have to do it like this. That's like a lot of marking though. See, I should be able to just do it by centering it. And that would be the awesome thing if I had a Festool. But I don't have a Festool domino. Unfortunately, I'm stuck with these damn dowels.